right here. There's the thingy. And basically what you want to do is you see this right here. First you want to go, do that, right? Noise reduction, get noise profile. And then you want to go back to effects, Control A, noise reduction. Okay, so right there you see there's all the noise is like gone, right? So bam, just delete that, and then you want to press Control A again, go over to change pitch. Where is this? Change pitch, and F, and then F, and then 9, and change whatever you want. You could change it to like 30,000, let's say, and then oof. Alright, but if you preview it, obviously it's gonna be like a robot. But if do this, right? If you go to like, let's say like 3,000. Alright, so I had to do a new, thing on the thingy. So alright, where were we? Okay. Change pitch. Obviously you saw the thingy over there. It was like some robot stuff, some demon stuff. So you go to like 2,000. Preview it. So today we are gonna make a video. Pretty good. So okay. And there you go.